crash course on Canadian music and songs including Canadian musicians and genres. Canadian music has a rich history and diverse range of genres that have left a lasting impact on the world. From rock to folk, pop to hip-hop, and everything in between, Canadian musicians have made a significant contribution to the global music scene. One of the most recognizable Canadian musicians is the legendary singer-songwriter, Neil Young. Born in Toronto in 1945, Young's career spans over 5 decades and has produced numerous hit songs such as Heart of Gold, Old Man, and Rockin' in the Free World. He is known for his distinctive voice and guitar work, and his socially conscious lyrics that often touch on political issues. Another iconic Canadian artist is Celine Dion, who rose to fame in the 1990s with hits like My Heart Will Go On and The Power of Love. Born in Quebec in 1968, Dion is one of the best-selling female artists of all time and has won numerous awards, including 5 Grammy Awards. Other notable Canadian musicians include Joni Mitchell, a folk singer-songwriter known for hits like Big Yellow Taxi and Both Sides Now, and the rock band Rush, who are known for their virtuosic musicianship and conceptual albums like 2112 and Moving Pictures. Canadian rock icons like Bryan Adams, The Tragically Hip, and Arcade Fire have also made significant contributions to the music world. In recent years, Canada has become a hotbed for new and emerging musical talent. Drake, a rapper from Toronto, is one of the biggest names in hip-hop today and has achieved massive success with hits like God's Plan and One Dance. Justin Bieber, who was discovered on YouTube at a young age, is another Canadian artist who has made a big impact on the pop music scene with hits like Baby and Sorry. Canada also has a strong indie music scene, with artists like Feist, Broken Social Scene, and the New Pornographers gaining critical acclaim and international recognition. The country's rich cultural diversity is reflected in its music scene, with artists like A Tribe Called Red, a group that blends traditional Indigenous music with electronic beats, and jazz pianist Oscar Peterson, who was a major influence on the bebop movement. Canada is also home to numerous music festivals, including the Montreal Jazz Festival, the Calgary Stampede, and the Osheaga Music and Arts Festival, which attracts top-tier international talent and draws crowds from around the world. In addition to its well-known musicians and genres, Canada also has a thriving music industry that includes labels, studios, and production companies. The Canadian government has played an important role in supporting the arts through initiatives like the Canada Music Fund, which provides financial support to Canadian musicians and promotes the country's music industry both domestically and abroad. Overall, Canadian music is a vibrant and diverse art form that has made a significant impact on the global music scene. From Neil Young to Drake, Celine Dion to Arcade Fire, Canada has produced countless talented musicians who have left their mark on the world. Whether you're a music lover or a casual listener, there's something for everyone in Canada's rich musical landscape. Here are 12 iconic Canadian songs, along with a brief description of each. 1. The Wait, by the band, originally released in 1968, this classic song features a blend of rock, country, and gospel influences, and has been covered by numerous artists over the years. 2. Hallelujah, by Leonard Cohen, originally released in 1984, this hauntingly beautiful song has become a modern classic and has been covered by countless artists, including Jeff Buckley and Rufus Wainwright. 3. Heart of Gold, by Neil Young, released in 1972. This acoustic ballad features Young's signature vocal style and has become one of his most well-known songs. 4. Life is a Highway, by Tom Cochrane, released in 1991. This upbeat rock song became an instant classic and has been covered by several other artists, including Rascal Flatts. 5. Big Yellow Taxi, by Joni Mitchell, released in 1970. This folk song features Mitchell's unique vocal style and poignant lyrics about the environment and urbanization. 6. American Woman, by The Guess Who, released in 1970. This rock song was a massive hit and has since become a staple of classic rock radio. 7. If You Could Read My Mind, by Gordon Lightfoot, released in 1970. This melancholy folk song features Lightfoot's distinctive voice and introspective lyrics. 8. Sunglasses at Night, by Corey Hart, released in 1984. This synth-pop song became a huge hit and helped launch Heart's career. 9. Closer to the Heart, by Rush, released in 1977, this progressive rock song features the band's virtuosic musicianship and conceptual lyrics. 10. Tom Sawyer, by Rush, released in 1981, this rock song features one of the band's most memorable riffs and is often considered one of their signature tracks. 11. One Dance, by Drake, released in 2016, this pop song became a massive hit and helped solidify Drake's status as one of the biggest names in hip-hop. 12. My Heart Will Go On, by CELINE DION, released in 1997, this power ballad was the theme song for the hit movie, Titanic, and has become one of Dion's most iconic songs. These 12 songs represent just a small sample of the incredible musical talent that Canada has produced over the years, and each one has left an indelible mark on the world of music. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 79893335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.